Take command of the road in the 2011 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck still has fewer than 30,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include front fog lights, heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, a bed liner, and voice-activated navigation. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as head curtain airbags, brake assist, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Come on in and take a test drive.